Doppler radar is tracking a lot of cloud to ground lightning, but I'm not seeing any of that. Can someone explain to me what is going on? It's definitely coming down, and the wind is howling out here. And I got that one. A lot of bullishness in the Arizona side, and I got that one. The strong winds just pushed this tree down. Look at that. Tree went down. And we're also seeing this tree that just went down. Thank God nobody was sitting in that picnic table at the time. There's no power out here either.